What's up guys? Today's video is on the top best portable car fan on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is TriPole Car Fan. TriPole Car Fan offers a way to improve airflow inside vehicles during warm weather or long trips. It connects through a universal power source using a universal serial bus, which makes it simple to use with car chargers or external power storage devices. Without a built-in battery, it remains safe for use in heated environments where stored power could be risky. The fan uses a compact frame and is made to clip onto air vents inside the car. Its size allows it to fit neatly without taking up space or blocking visibility. It can rotate fully in all directions, letting the air be directed where needed, whether toward the driver, front seat passenger, or back seat area. Designed to move air using a quiet motor, the sound level is kept low, close to 30 decibels. This allows passengers to rest or enjoy peaceful driving without being distracted by noise. It can assist in reducing the need for air conditioning, especially when cooling must be focused on certain areas. The motor works with 3 different levels of speed, allowing changes based on comfort or conditions. The airflow helps manage interior temperature more quickly during hot periods, especially useful in vehicles such as vans, trucks, or utility vehicles where cooling might not reach every seat effectively. It can be used across a variety of vehicle types that contain adjustable vents, including sport utility vehicles, recreational vans, and sedans. The fan stays fixed firmly with a strong grip, holding up well even when the road surface causes shaking or turns are sharp. This cooling item supports more relaxed travel and improved air movement while on the road. In our list, the number 4 product name is TriPole Car Cooling Fan. TriPole Car Cooling Fan brings comfort while traveling during warm seasons. It is made to improve air circulation using a design that fits in various types of vehicles including family sedans, sport utility vehicles, and travel vans. The fan runs through a universal serial bus power source which can be connected to portable chargers, in-vehicle adapters, or external power storage. This makes it a flexible option for different road conditions and environments. Its size is compact, which means it does not require much space inside the vehicle. The fan fits easily within small areas while still moving air well enough to cool passengers. With the ability to switch between multiple wind settings, it can provide just the right breeze depending on temperature or personal need. The fan includes a clip that allows it to be placed in different spots within the car, especially toward the back seats where airflow may be weaker. The construction supports smooth and steady performance with sound levels kept around 40 decibels, making it low in noise while operating. It is well suited for long drives, summer trips, or everyday use, especially when additional airflow is needed alongside or without built-in air conditioning. With 4 blades and strong airflow control, this portable fan keeps the inside of the vehicle more balanced and less stuffy. Its lightweight structure also makes it simple to move or reposition based on need. People looking for improved airflow while traveling will find this cooling unit useful for both short city commutes and extended outdoor drives. It supports a relaxed atmosphere by refreshing interior spaces during any road adventure. In our list, the number 3 product name is Cisbelw Car Cooling Fan. Cisbelw Portable Car Cooling Fan offers a simple way to improve air movement inside various vehicles. Designed with a modern style and triple head setup, it provides airflow across different parts of the vehicle cabin. This unit runs using a corded electric source that connects to the vehicle's cigarette lighter socket, making it easy to operate without relying on batteries or charging. Each fan head turns in full rotation to cover more space and direct airflow in multiple directions. This helps passengers in both front and back seats feel the breeze during warm weather or when built-in systems are not enough. Its size and structure allow for easy placement without getting in the way of driving visibility or passenger movement. The cooling system uses a quiet motor that maintains strong wind delivery without adding distracting noise. That makes it suitable for long drives, where continuous comfort matters. The use of quality ABS material ensures lasting use even when driving through uneven routes or during long road hours. Vehicles like sport utility vehicles, buses, vans, and trucks benefit from added ventilation, especially during summer months. With 2 speed modes, users can choose the desired intensity based on outside temperatures and personal comfort level. The design also makes it easy to adjust direction, so airflow reaches different areas without needing to reposition the entire device. This fan brings coolness during hot conditions, reduces heat buildup inside the cabin, and supports a more pleasant trip for drivers and passengers alike. Its electric power source and solid construction make it a reliable addition for those who spend a lot of time on the road. In our list, the number 2 product name is Hayousui USB Car Cooling Fans. Hayousui Dual Head Vehicle Cooling Fan is designed to enhance airflow for passengers during summer travel. Built with 2 adjustable heads and a strong brushless motor, it moves air effectively throughout the back area of the vehicle. Its compact size and lightweight structure make it ideal for cars, vans, and recreational vehicles that need better air circulation. The unit is powered using a universal 5-volt USB connection, which allows it to work with many devices such as portable battery banks, computer systems, and in-car chargers. Since it operates without internal batteries, it stays safe during long periods in heated environments, offering peace of mind when left inside parked vehicles. Each fan rotates freely at multiple angles, providing air movement across wide seating zones. That flexibility helps cool both people and animals seated in rear sections. Long trips become more comfortable with steady airflow that reaches all corners of the interior. Made from durable plastic and supported by a secure clip system, it attaches to the backrest of most seat types without difficulty. When not in use, the foldable structure saves room and avoids unnecessary clutter. The extended cord length allows easy reach from front power ports to the back area, adding extra convenience. This portable cooling system also supports a cleaner cabin atmosphere. It helps reduce window fog during damp weather, and its constant movement aids in removing unpleasant smells such as smoke or pet odor. The result is a fresher environment for families or daily commuters. Simple setup and quiet performance make this fan suitable for regular use without causing distractions. Whether driving across town or heading on a road adventure, this dual fan keeps passengers more relaxed with gentle wind flow and reliable operation. In our list, the number 1 product name is Zmirne Dual Head USB Car Cooling Fan. Zmirne Dual Head Cooling Fan is designed to keep air flowing inside vehicles and small spaces during warm conditions. This USB-powered unit helps improve comfort for drivers and passengers on hot days. With 2 adjustable heads and flexible rotation, it pushes fresh air across wide interior areas without taking up too much room. The cooling fan uses a direct current brushless motor, offering strong performance while keeping noise low. Its speed helps move air steadily, making daily commutes or long-distance travel more relaxing. The fan head can be moved in multiple directions, allowing better control over where the airflow goes inside a car, truck, or recreational vehicle. This unit runs on 5-volt power and connects to common sources such as portable chargers, desktop computers, and automotive outlets. Because it draws low power, it remains efficient without draining energy. It is suitable for use in many types of cars, making it useful for personal vehicles or shared rides. The body includes an extension that lowers the fan height, which can help prevent it from blocking the driver's line of sight. This small detail supports safer travel while delivering airflow through the cabin. The compact form and light structure make it easy to move from one place to another. Beyond the road, this item fits well in small workstations, home study corners, or kitchen counters where added airflow is needed. The quiet operation allows continued use without disturbing conversations or focus during tasks. Whether for keeping pets cooler or helping circulate fresh air, this fan provides consistent results with little setup required. Its simple connection and adjustable angles make it a helpful tool for staying cool inside both cars and small indoor areas.